Now let's move to question number 5. A rhombus-shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meter and its longer diagonal is 48 meter, how much area of grass field will each cow be getting? Now what is given in the question? In the problem it is given that a rhombus, a field is in the shape of a rhombus, and this rhombus, in this rhombus grass is there, and this grass is eaten by 18 cows. 18 cows को इतना area लग रहा है. So it means first we have to find the area of this, and what more is given, area of this rhombus, and it is since it is a rhombus, so all the sides should be equal to 30 centimeter, and its longest diagonal, two diagonals are there, and it is given that the longest diagonal is 48 centimeter. Okay, now you can find the area of this rhombus by finding area of triangle ABD and area of triangle BCD. Actually the area of both these two parts will be the same, and since all the three sides are given, है ना, तीनों साइड गिवन है, so we can apply the Heron's formula. Heron's formula से आप करेंगे और आपको क्या मिल जाएगा, इसका एरिया मिल जाएगा, and multiply that area by 2. क्यों? क्योंकि दोनों का एरिया बराबर है. So if 2 into area of ABD will give you the area of the rhombus ABCD. Clear? ये हुआ by using Heron's formula. And we can find the area of this this rhombus by one more alternative method. एक दूसरे मेथड से भी निकाल सकते हैं, क्योंकि आपको Heron's formula बहुत अच्छे से आता है. So you will be able to find the area of the rhombus. अब area of the rhombus आप कैसे भी निकालो, ये आपके ऊपर है. क्वेश्चन में लिखा अगर आया using Heron's formula, तो you have to apply the Heron's formula. If it is not written, तो हम उसको दूसरे मेथड से भी कर सकते हैं. तो मैं आपको दूसरा मेथड भी सिखा रही हूँ. Now, for the second method, what actually we are using? What is the area of the rhombus? Area of the rhombus is half D1 into D2, half into product of the diagonals. तो हम सबसे पहले यहाँ पे क्या कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे? We will join this AC. First of all, what we will do? We will join this AC. Now AC is a diagonal, BD is a diagonal. So what is the construction? Join AC. Now I am repeating again, it is not necessary that you have to do the problem in this way. This is the alternative way. आप चाहे तो Heron's formula से करो, चाहे तो इससे करो. ठीक है, आपको दोनों चीजें आनी चाहिए. So हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Join AC. So diagonals of the rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree, है ना, ये हमको पता है. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? BE और AC और BD क्या होंगे? बाइसेक्ट करेंगे, और यहाँ पे एंगल कितने का बन जाएगा? 90 डिग्री का. Since they are bisecting, so what is BE? BE will be half of BD. So BE will be half into 48, which gives you 24 centimeter. Now in triangle ABE, now in this triangle, हमको क्या पता लगा रहे हैं? डायगोनल की लेंथ. कौन सा डायगोनल की? AC. और AC क्या होगा? AE का ट्वाइस होगा. तो हमने ट्राइंगल कौन सा लिया? ABE. Now in this triangle, angle E is equal to 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem क्या बोल रहा है? Pythagoras theorem, what the Pythagoras theorem is saying? Square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So AB square will be AE square plus BE square. तो उससे क्या निकल के आ जाएगा? AE is equal to 18 centimeter. Now then what is AC? AC will be 2 into 18, 36 centimeter square. Now what will be the area of the rhombus? Half d1 into d2. So it will be half 48 into 36. कितना आया? 24 into 36. ठीक है. अब ये वाला जो एरिया है, ये जो आपने एरिया निकाला, एरिया ऑफ द रोम्बस, आप चाहे तो इस मेथड से निकालो और बाय यूजिंग द हीरोन्स फॉर्मूला. आप हीरोन्स फॉर्मूला फर्स्ट ट्राइंगल में और सेकंड ट्राइंगल में जैसे मैंने पहले बताया था वैसे करके निकाल लो. द आंसर विल बी द सेम. ठीक है. So in both the way you can find the area of the rhombus. Now what is asked in the problem? हमारे क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है? ये पूछा है कि what is the area grazed by one cow? ये जो एरिया था, ये एरिया कितने काउस के लिए था? 18 के लिए था. तो for 18 cows what is the area? 24 into 36 centimeter square. ठीक है. So for 18 cows 24 into 36 square centimeter square is the area for grazing. Clear? So what will be the area for one cow to graze? It will be 24 into 36 upon 18. तो कितना आ जाएगा? 48 centimeter. Clear है? So thus for one cow how much area is needed? 48 centimeter square. Now let's move to the ninth problem. In ninth problem, a field is in the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. The non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. We have to find the area of the field. Now Now let's move to the ninth problem. In ninth problem, a field is in the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. The non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. We have to find the area of the field. Now what is given to us? We are provided with a trapezium. So what is given in the trapezium? Non-parallel sides are 25 and 10 centimeters. So so this is our trapezium A, B, C, D. Now when you are writing the non-parallel side, take care the smaller will have the less measurement, है ना? ये नहीं कि 25 अपन ने यहाँ लिख दिया तो गड़बड़ हो ही जाना है. So AB एक 10 है, एक 25 है, तो smaller will be 10 and the larger side will be 25. And similarly here the non-parallel sides are 14 and 13. So while making the figure and by taking the values in the figure, take care. ठीक है? Don't do the problem carelessly. Now we are having the trapezium A, B, C, D, in which AB is equal to 10, BC is equal to 25 centimeter, AD is equal to 14 and this BC is equal to 13. ठीक है? ये हमको ट्रेपेजियम दिया हुआ है, बीच का छोड़ दो. अब इसमें ना कुछ है ही नहीं, अब कैसे निकालोगे? What is the area of the trapezium? Half A plus B into H, है ना? Half sum of the parallel sides into height. That is the area of the trapezium. तो कैलकुलेट क्या करना पड़ेगा? Height, क्योंकि A plus B तो given है. So to calculate the height, what we will do? We will do the construction. What is the construction? We will draw BE parallel to AD. So what construction we are doing? Draw BE parallel to AD. Through BE we will draw a line BE parallel to AD. And so this is your BE. Now see in this figure ABED. इसको छोड़ दो. ABED. Now AB and DE are the parallel sides. ये तो given है क्योंकि trapezium है. And AD is parallel to BE. We have constructed. So again this is parallel. Hence ABED is a parallelogram. ये parallelogram बन गया. अब parallelogram जब बन गया तो parallelogram के opposite sides कैसे होते हैं? Equal. So AB is equal to क्या हो जाएगा? DE. And what about this? AD is equal to क्या हो गया? BE. Clear? Because the opposite sides of the parallelograms are equal. Now we have to find the height, so we will concentrate in this area. हम सिर्फ इस triangle पे concentrate करेंगे. Now in this triangle, BE is equal to 14 centimeter, BC is equal to 13 centimeter. What about EC? EC कितना होगा? EC निकालने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? DC minus DE. तो कितना आ गया? 15 centimeter. Now all the three sides are given, so we will apply the Heron's formula. ये अपन ने Heron's formula लगाया, S आ गया 21. So by Heron's formula, the area of the triangle is 84 centimeters. Clear? यहाँ तक clear है? ये निकल आया हमारा area of the triangle using Heron's formula. Now again we will take the same triangle and we will draw altitude of this. ठीक है, अपन ने क्या बनाया? BM. क्या बनाया? BM. और ये BM क्या हुई? एक्चुअली हाइट. So in this triangle, what is the height? BM is the height. What is the base? EC is the base. So area of triangle BEC, the area of this same triangle will be half B into H. So half 15 into H. Now this is also the area of the triangle BEC, and this is also the area of the triangle BEC. ये दोनों क्या हैं? इसी triangle के area हैं. So this 84, it will be equal to half 15 into H. तो H क्या आ जाएगा? 84 into 2 upon 15, which is equal to 11.2 centimeter. So using Heron's formula, what we have calculated? हमको दिया है ट्रेपीजियम, हम यूज कर रहे हैं हीरोन्स फॉर्मूला, मतलब ट्राइंगल, और ट्राइंगल को यूज करके हम निकाल रहे हैं हाइट. अब जब हाइट निकल आई तो हम निकालेंगे क्या? निकालना क्या था? एरिया ऑफ दिस फील्ड. सो एरिया ऑफ दिस फील्ड विल बी, कितना हो जाएगा? हाइट कितनी निकली? सो व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपीजियम? Area of the trapezium will be half A plus B into H. So what is this? Half 10 plus 25 into 11.2. So ये हो गया 35 into 11.2. 35 into 2 5 are 10, 5.6. So 35 into 5.6, and it is equal to 196 meter square. Sorry, here it is given in the meter. सब कुछ किसमें दिया था? मीटर में था. By mistake I had taken centimeter. So everywhere the unit is meter. Clear? हर चीज किसमें दी हुई है अपन को? मीटर में दी हुई है. So what is the area of trapezium? Half A plus B into H. So 10 into 2.5 into 11.2. तो कितना आ गया? 196 मीटर स्क्वायर. So always take care of this unit also. है ना? क्वेश्चन में मीटर है, हमने सेंटीमीटर लिखा, आंसर गलत. क्योंकि अगर सेंटीमीटर में था और आधा मीटर में था तो हमको किसमें कन्वर्ट करना पड़ता है? एवरीथिंग इन द सेम यूनिट, है ना? बट in our problem, everything is there in meter. So our final answer will be 196 meter square.